So today's video is going to be a house tour video, and like I said in my last video I posted, the main reason why I'm doing this apartment tour is because this particular block of flats or whatever, it does have amenities. So I feel like it's going to be really nice for anyone who probably you're coming here for the first time, or you live around here and everything, and you're looking for somewhere that has amenities. I just want you to see what this place looks like, and then you get to decide if you like it or not, if you want to ever visit. Anyways, it's pretty chill. As you can see, I'm dressed up. I told you guys in my last video as well that I'm going to start gymming and everything. Okay, I'm actually not going to the gym right now. I'm going for a TRX class, which I presume will be really nice. I haven't done anything. Okay, let me not even go down that road. That will be for another video. So in this video, I'm going to just be showing what my apartment looks like and then what it looks like downstairs. So stay tuned. Here's what the passage looks like. And then yeah, that's what you see as soon as you come in. Here we have, like, I don't know, clothing drawers or whatever. And I actually changed the setting of this living room myself, just because the dining section used to be here, but I felt like it didn't give the kitchen enough space. This is the only thing I probably don't like about the apartment. The kitchen is very small, but yeah, we'll make it work. And that's the fridge. That's what the living room looks like. And guys, just because I'm so proud of being a YouTuber, I decided to use all my tripods as decors, including the one I'm using to film right now. And you have a center table, and this is permanently going to be here. I actually have two, which is what I use for lighting, but I have only one open right now. So it has a very big mirror, which is something that I really love. And then bathroom, toilet. Here has, like, I don't know, storage drawers, and washing machine is down here. All right, straight to the room. And guys, if you don't know, your baby girl is actually a product junkie. Okay, it's actually supposed to be like that, right? Obviously. But yeah, it's open right now, and this is my favorite part, because I love products so much. Miscellaneous. Oh, I still have hair products in the bathroom, makeup, undies, clothing, and pretty much that's what the bedroom looks like. You see, I put one of the pillows in the living room because I pretty much always lie down there. So nothing too big, just enough for your tiny baby girl. But I'm going to show you what it looks like downstairs. See you. Oh yeah, those are like what you see in this place. They have La Vita Spa, they have B-Fit Wellness Center, they have a cafe restaurant, also that, and swimming pool as well. Yeah, we've been doing the class for like, I've only done 12 minutes and I'm almost dead. Bruh, let me show you guys the place. So I just finished the lesson. Can you see I already have abs? My girl is right away. Do you know I made my hair myself? Salons were closed because of electricity issue. So I did my cornrows myself, and it looks so neat. I can already foresee a very summerish body. That's what it just like. I'm actually feeling myself, can you tell? So I just came to check the gym out. here you go, guys. This is what the outside looks like. This is like the entrance gate, I guess. And then as soon as you get downstairs is like where all the fitness areas are. We have that little children play area. And then there is this Meccan cafe, I believe. I actually came here last night. They sell food, shisha, ice cream, drinks, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. And then the outdoor pool, which they are currently cleaning. I think I should just sit for a while. I'm so tired. So I generally like lounging by the pool, even when I'm not swimming. I just find it very, very relaxing. So sometimes I just come down, get something from the cafe, which is behind me, and I just lounge here. This is a place I'm dying to take pictures in front of. Don't worry, when I get some cute dresses, you're gonna see me here. So beautiful people, I just got back home like 2 minutes ago. My legs are shaky. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. But I'm very happy to get to, you know, do this, like be able to go to the gym every day, maybe, you know, do Turkish hammam and sauna and just get more active, because I'm not athletic and I'm really trying to improve my fitness and my health. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love you to check the other videos on my channel, because they're just quite nice, and the backstory of how I got here. So I'm going to be on my previous life update video and upcoming videos. This summer is going to be amazing for me, and I hope it's going to be the same for you as well. Just, you know, exhume every single inch of positive energy that surrounds you, even though it's not glaring or you feel as though you don't really have the opportunity. Like, at the end of the day, opportunities are going to be made by you, so don't let it pass you by. Any opportunity you have to make yourself happy, to make yourself feel sane, with or without anybody, or with or without the people you expected it from, just make your life beautiful. That's like one thing I'm just going to leave, because, you know, I'm all about self-love, self-care, positive energy, and living the best life you possibly can live. So I hope you enjoyed this video, because me, I enjoyed making it. I enjoyed filming it. And stay tuned to this space, this channel. Comment down below what your favorite part of this video was, and I'll show you more of that. I promise. I'm so tired. I'm just trying to give myself some ginger that I don't have. Anyways, thanks for watching. I love you so much. Bye.